everyone, welcome to my channel. My today's video is a follow-up of my previous video which I plan to tag here, and it is about 12 useful gifts for your 6-year-old. Today I'm going to tell you that I bought a make your own soap kit for my child and we had amazing fun making our own soap. So come, let me show you all. So here we have our make your own soap kit. Super fun and very easy to make. The things that we get in the box are 2 molds, 1 small little bottle of fragrance, another bottle of for color, some soap base, dried rose petals, and a little teeny mini scrub. It's an all-natural do-it-yourself activity kit which helps us to make 2 soaps. It is perfect for the age group 6 years and above and is from the company I Coco Moco. These are the contents. It helps in boosting creativity, builds self-esteem and is quite rewarding. All this for Rs 299. Come, let's make some soap together. Put some soap base in an old pan. Heat it up. Wait for it to melt. Keep stirring occasionally. It will take a minute or so to melt well. Now add some fragrance to it. Add some color. Mix well. And pour into the molds. Now I'm adding a scrub to one of our soaps and some rose petals to another. This is a final product, one with the scrub and the other with some rose petals. So let's see whether they work well. Super smooth soap which gives a lot of lather and very good on your hands. You should give it a try. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me a lot. Thank you so much. Namaste. Bye bye.